Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, this is Manzur Ahmad Ganai, lecturer History Boys, Higher Secondary School, Tral. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on Mesopotamian temples, which is one of the important topics of Unit 2nd of our syllabus of class 11th. The topic is why Mesopotamian temples look like a house. Dear students, there are a number of reasons to justify as to why Mesopotamian temples look like a house. The number one reason is that a house was considered to be the living and residing place of the members of a family. In the same way, the temple was considered to be the living and residing place of gods and goddesses. The second reason is that the head of a family was considered to be the owner of all agricultural and non-agricultural lands that a family possessed. In the same way, the god of a temple was considered to be the this theoretical or the owner of all agricultural and non-agricultural lands that a temple possessed. Third reason is that every Mesopotamian temple, house in Mesopotamia had every house in Mesopotamia had several rooms, and in these rooms, different members of family lived. In the same way, Mesopotamian temples had several rooms and quarters, and in these rooms, the temple priests and other members of the temple lived just as the family members of a family lived in different rooms of a family. Another important point is that another reason is that there were number of we can say was a number of property and wealth which Mesopotamian houses owned. Every house in Mesopotamia owned the property, owned some wealth, and thus they were engaged in some sale and purchase. So every house in Mesopotamia did trade, did business, did other economic activities. In the same way, Mesopotamian temples had wealth and property, had business to do, had trade, and as such, Mesopotamian temples were also involved in the activities in which a household used to be involved. Number five is that the temple had warehouses, the temples had workshops, the temples had living quarters, the temples had different kinds of activities to perform, or the temples had different kinds of these kinds of shops and workshops. In the same way, a house as well owned different kinds of warehouses, different kinds of workshops, different kinds of living quarters, and different kinds of other properties. The last example is that the last reason we can say justify here is that the different members of a family or in Mesopotamia were engaged in different activities. Some were engaged in grinding up grains, some were engaged in spinning, some in weaving, some in knitting, some in embroidery, some in embroidery. In the same way, different members and priests in Mesopotamia were involved in different activities as that the members of a family were involved. Thus, these reasons are enough to justify that why Mesopotamian temples look like a house. Thank you.